Your wrist size is determined by your bone structure and will not change with training. Once you're an adult, bones don't grow thicker. If you have thin wrists, they will stay thin, and that's fine. What you can grow are your forearms. When your forearms are well developed, the contrast actually makes your wrists look more defined, and your overall arm appears larger and more proportional. Most people who say they want bigger wrists actually want bigger forearms, and that's exactly what this covers. Forearms won't grow from indirect work alone. Many skinny guys assume bicep curls and back exercises are enough. They aren't. Your forearms receive some stimulus from pulling movements, but not enough to produce visible size. If you want real forearm growth, you need to train them directly with specific exercises and progressive tension. The forearm has 3 key areas to target. The flexors run along the inside and control grip and wrist flexion. The extensors run along the outside and control wrist extension. The brachioradialis sits on top near the elbow and is the muscle that makes your forearm look thick from the side. For the flexors, do wrist curls. Sit on a bench, hold a barbell or dumbbells with an underhand grip, rest your forearms on your thighs, and let the weight roll to your fingertips before curling your wrists up as high as possible. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. For the extensors, do reverse wrist curls with the same setup but palms facing down. Use lighter weight. The extensors are weaker. Same sets and reps. For the brachioradialis, do hammer curls standing with palms facing each other throughout the movement, slow and controlled. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Finally, add farmer carries at the end of your workout. Walk for 30 to 60 seconds with the heaviest weight you can hold. Do this twice per week for grip strength and overall forearm density. Apply progressive overload to all of these. Add small increments of weight each week and track your numbers. If you're using the same weight for months, your forearms will not grow. Train forearms twice per week at the end of your sessions. More frequent training leads to fatigue, not faster growth. Nutrition and recovery are non-negotiable. If you're skinny and not eating in a calorie surplus with adequate protein, your forearms won't grow no matter how well you train. Sleep 7 to 9 hours per night, as this is when muscle repair actually happens. Expect visible, measurable changes after 8 to 12 weeks of consistent work. Take photos and measure your forearm circumference at the start, then compare every 4 weeks. Forearms grow slowly, but they do grow. Stay consistent and start this week.